It's got a couple of chunks out.
Is that a soda?
I don't know.
Oh, it looked like it, didn't it?
I think I found gold.
Or the royal purple.
Oh, neato.
Yeah, kind of a medium-sized royal
Yeah, it
purple.
looked like a soda, didn't
Or
it?
a juice. Was it grape juice?
Yeah, probably grape juice. Royal purple grape juice, Lawton, Michigan. Yep. That's the one that has the town name on it. Hey, there's a little ink bottle.
Oh yeah, I didn't see that.
A lot of those have got cracks on them.
Yeah.
I don't know why. That one looks good, though.
Finally, I think I got
Sanford's. All right, nice little Sanford's ink there. Shelley's working on one. She's going to pull out here.
I don't know. I need a stick.
Yeah, next time I run that backhoe, I'll chop into that bank there. Try to cut it back a little bit. Probably ought to get up there and cut them roots.
Ketchup. Nothing on it, but it's
yep,
it's
a
worth
ketchup.
keeping.
Well, it's got the top on it there.
Now would these turn amethyst?
Yep, probably would. And chimney.
All right.
Boy, you got
Quart
something. Oh, it's a big
They
whiskey.
refill those, don't
They do, yeah. Ones with a beaded rim. That one's a slick, isn't it?
TB.
Oh, that one's got TB.
It's hand blown though. 2-piece mold.
Yeah.
Hand blown.
That is TB on the bottom. That one's got me stumped.
Yeah, it's a maker's mark.
I bet it is. Tibby Brothers, maybe? There's a Tibby Brothers out of there. Uh-huh. It's out of Pittsburgh.
Yeah, this one is so stubborn.
Stuck, isn't it?
Oh, a little deeper there.
Yeah, I see something sticking out in there. Paul, right underneath you there on the pile, looks like a broken stopper. Right there.
Oh,
Yeah.
it is. Nice.
It's broke. I don't know if there's
Went
enough.
to one of them big cruets.
It probably did. I don't know if there's enough to...
Shelley got that drug.
Oh,
Slit.
you got all that work is a slit.
Look what was around it.
Ooh, that looked
That
like a
was
soda. That was a soda, wasn't it? It was a Clinton, yep. Hawkwood.
Oh, it's a.
Hey, an intimate thing.
I
Oh,
guess so.
Yeah,
if you say so.
Yeah, that's the one that I don't know why I shouldn't get excited on
I
that.
don't know.
That's a little weird, isn't it? That's saying something about me. It's probably best not to be known. No, I don't know. I just think they're cool.
That
Yeah,
one's kinda
look at
different
that.
than normal.
It is different. It's got like a real funky looking tip on it, like inside of it.
Wow.
Yeah, it's like for enema or douche or something. It was on, it was curled up in that jar. Right up there, that stoneware jar. The bulb and the
That
hose
might have
for it, part of it.
part of that.
It was
yeah.
part of it, yeah. That one's a little wider. Oh, mosquitoes! Stop it! They keep biting me on. I got a shirt on. And they're still biting me on my wrist and my hand.
It's embossed, but it broke.
Oh. Oh, well, it went, 2 ounce full measure. That wasn't much. Huh? Ooh, look at that. What was that? Oh, it was painted.
It was painted on there.
It was a salt glaze
There was a.
jar.
It was a feeder that was embossed.
It
Another feeder. Yeah.
was.
All I see is
Infant
feeder.
Yep.
It had the measurements on one side. That's
Oh,
cool though.
Isn't that something? Look at that. It had a red painted like a rising sun or something on it. Must have been Japanese. Had red on the inside of the rim too.
Painted over 100 years ago.
Boy, that's an early jar too. That was probably 1860s
Yeah.
jar. Big churn or something.
Sorry.
That's all right.
I just wanted that jug so bad I saw down there. Fine. It's
Yeah.
just a picture or something.
Boy, y'all are
Can before it falls in.
Yeah, it's getting ready to.
Oh. No, don't say that.
All right, we'll just dig it out.
Yeah, there's an ink. Oh, it's there.
Oh, got a hole in it. All right, well, I'm going to turn the camera off and I'm going to get a box and box some of these up. Oh, we probably got
that?
25 bottles right
Oh,
up
look
through
at
here.
this one.
What do you got
It's
now?
going right through the vine.
Oh, cool. It is. That root's holding that bottle.
And under it was a little picture
Yeah.
or something.
Oh, that's
It's
interesting.
embossed. No,
Is
it's
it?
not.
Oh.
It
Oh,
can
might
come out.
Here it comes.
Okay.
That root relinquishes it. Oh, it was a...
That was pretty cool.
Yeah, that was interesting.
I swear there was a picture down there a minute ago.
Yeah. All right. Well, we're... it's fixing to fall, so I guess we'll... What's that white thing down in there? Is that anything, honey?
Where at?
Way down in there is white. Ooh. Oh.
But here's that picture.
Is there something down in there?
I can't. It's way stuck in there.
Okay.
Don't know what's
All
holding
right.
it.
Well.
Okay.
Yeah, it's gonna fall. I see it trickling. And when it does, it's gonna be a big one, I think. All right. Well, we're gonna shovel a little bit and come back with the backhoe. Backhoe, hey, can you bring your arm right down in here?
Oh, Bay's got it.
Come on, Bay. Can you just bring the backhoe arm right down in here and we'll guide you. That'd be nice. You could do it remotely. All right, we're ready to come out. It hasn't fell yet, but Paul just pulled a couple out in here, if I can find them now. Is it? It's got embossing on it? No way. Hilbert's, all right. He just hit another Larkin here. Here's the one I wanted to show. Look at that, ain't that cool? Nice little Sanford. You can still see the label on that. I can't make it out, but anyway, it's a nice hand-blown Sanford's pin rest ink. Yeah, got a few other little things in there, but he's pulling more out down in there, so I'm gonna go down and keep showing this for now.
Keep an eye on this.
Yeah. Oh yeah, look at that, man. We're figuring it's gonna fall, but we're gonna try to get as much of this as we can. 'Cause you never know with that backhoe. Oh, here comes some. I think it's just trickling a little bit there.
Upper level fall.
Yep. Ooh, that is a neat.
Cracking up there or not.
Hilbert's Deluxe Perfumery.
Yeah, that's cool.
That's a neat little
Real
perfume
thin.
body. It is. Look at that. All right. That's one of the mineral water bottles. Yep. Nice one though. Nice little green, like a Pollinaris, or they had different companies that had them. It's pretty green though, isn't it? It's hard to stop, you know, there's so much stuff here. Cold cream jar. Whoa, it's got Melba on the bottom. Somebody out there might be named Melba. I don't know, they might want that jar. Well, I can pull out look like petrified wood there. That is a chunk of petrified wood. It's real heavy. Pyritized pyrite. There you go. Got a had a olive bottle and a shoe polish bottle.
One of them jars for chili pounders.
Oh yeah. Hey, and it's got a label on it.
It does.
Can almost make
Cutter.
Huh.
IETZ.
Huh.
Something cutter manufacturer.
Well, ain't that something?
Is it
I call 'em
butter?
apple butter. That's what I call them, apple butter.
It could have said
jars.
apple over here. I can only see
Yeah,
butter.
I call them apple butter jar.
Well, it's in good condition.
Yeah.
A little rusty.
Yeah, you can see the word butter there.
There's like 3 different
Manufacturer.
cold cream looking things. That's the net.
That could be Heinz. I see Z right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I believe that's Heinz, Paul. Heinz apple butter.
Wow. That's a little
Oh yeah, creamer. Yep, I believe that's it, because I've had Heinz apple butter trucks before. It takes like an amber glass lid, which that's odd because we ain't found the lids. Maybe we shall. Yep, there's a little like a restaurant creamer, a heavy ironstone. Man, lots of stuff in there. I don't see any trickle yet. A little slick.
Nothing.
Doodah ball. And blown, huh?
Ever prevalent.
Them things are all over in here. Yep, sal hepatica or something, whatever that stuff, medical thing. That ain't a beer, is it?
I think it's a Garrett whiskey.
Oh, it could be. Could be a Garrett.
Heinz.
Yeah, there's another Heinz.
Yeah.
A lot of Heinz stuff
glad they're
here.
whole.
Yeah, because those will turn. Those will turn amethyst. Yeah, that's a nice H.J. Heinz. And it is.
There, Garrett.
Hey. Yeah, that one's Boulder embossed.
Got a gutsy one. It's
Virginia Dare, do you? Yep. I think you're right. It's stirring.
I can hear it slowly
Yep.
coming.
I think we better call it on this one. We'll use the backhoe and dig that bank out. So. All right. All right, we're just now coming down in the hole. You can see the size of that big major root there. But Paul said he saw like a stoneware jug or something down in there, stencil on it, but we were just getting ready to hop down in there and just fell in here, but it's somewhere right in there. But it looks good. Shelley found a couple bottles up there, so there it is, yeah.
Oh, it's got a picture on it.
I hope it's cool. Is it whole? Let's see.
There it is. Look at that.
Yay!
Oh, it is. It's got the handle on it.
Yeah.
The cream of old Scotch whiskey, Bonnie Castle.
Yeah.
And look, it's got the. Is that a
That's
castle?
a castle.
Okay.
Yeah. We hit one of them broken in here.
We do not find these in the USA very often.
All right. That's awesome. Yeah, man.
The stuff. Want a drink?
Yeah, look at there. Bonnie whiskey. Bonnie Castle, I say.
That's nice.
Oh, man. That's our first good one. You hit one of them broken, I remember.
Did we? Well, I don't remember it.
I remember I showed it on a video. It was broken, just part of it. All right. The cream of old Scotch whiskey, Bonnie Castle.
Darn cool.
Yeah. Look at this bottle sticking out of there.
Vial with a label inside it. Thelma.
Oh, now that's cool.
Queen of Perfumes. It's a perfume vial.
Right, a little perfume vial.
You can read it.
Yeah, it's got the label
inside. I think it's whole, ain't it?
It is whole.
They just probably broke the tip.
Yeah,
to use
probably. Probably. I don't. It seemed like it would have been broken.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
That's awesome.
What else do we got here? And the random
Queen
nothingness.
of Perfumes, a surpassing scent.
Oh, cool.
Something about sweetness. Oh.
That is sweetness.
And it's got, patented March 1910 or something.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. That's all there, too.
Well, that looks like a great looking layer.
Oh, look at that.
So that's a new layer.
Yeah, look at that stuff sticking out of there. I'm getting excited.
Well,
okay, I'm going to stick this
gotta
up
find
here.
out where that bottom is.
Yeah. Oh man, sorry, I was putting them keepers up there. Wow, look at the clothes here. Look at the cloth.
Peoria Druggist. Ketchup.
Yeah.
Hand-blown ketchup.
That might be toilet paper. I better not get too thrilled about it.
Getting excited about
Getting excited.
There's two cheese burl Vaseline.
Yeah, two Vaselines here. Ooh, man, this is great.
Oh, that's an axe head.
Oh, it sure is. Yep, there's an old axe. An axe, there's a battery.
Bone.
Oh, they're throwing away all kinds of stuff, weren't they?
Bottle.
Yeah.
Ketchup.
I'm going to pull out this Lydia Pinkham's over here, it looks like.
Yeah.
Yep, and that's what that is. Lydia Pinkham's vegetable compound.
I need to find out what this is doing here.
Yeah. We're down there in that bottom layer. So, yeah, I hooked onto that. You can see where I hit it with the teeth of the backhoe, but it's not going to pull that out. So I'm going to have to cut that. But we still got a lot to go. Even up in this area, Paul, look at this. It's bricks, but there's bottles all up in here, man.
Well, it's looking like
look at that.
Thicker trash here.
There's bottles all up in there, yeah.
I think I should probably just dig here and see where the bottom is.
Yeah, I think so. Let's try to get that bottom.
Because this is probably where we were last time.
I think you're right. Yep, let's get that. All right, man. Boy, there's just bottle after bottle in here. Oh, it's one of them broken Jack Daniels tops there. Similar. There's a glass stopper.
Look for more.
I'm gonna set these up over here. All right, man. Oh, the shoe's coming tight. That's all right. Boy, man, this is fun. To do this every day, huh?
Yeah. I guess I may have to get a bigger shovel because it's coming.
Oh yeah.
Coming in. That's a good sign if the trash layer's thicker.
It is.
That might be the bottom there.
We're approximately, Paul's old hole was about right here someplace. He had dug a hole there and he had a bunch of insulators up over there.
I think that's bottom.
I think you're right, yep. It's kind of going up, isn't it?
Yeah. You can see the trash layers at an angle like this.
Right. Well, we'll figure out our strategy next.
Ooh.
Oh, it looks good though.
It does.
All right, man. Yeah, that's the bottom there. You can see where it's definitely tapering up, going up the hill. Boroliptol. Yeah. Well, that's cool. A little sample Boroliptol. Say anything on the bottom, like Palisades Manufacturing Company?
Yeah, I was trying to see. Oh, Yonkers, New York.
Yonkers, New York. That's just the hydraulics.
Yeah, nice little bottle.
All right. Boroliptol. Amber.
Pickles.
Yeah.
There's another bromocaffeine, maybe?
Bromocaffeine.
Yeah, that's darker blue. That's
It's pretty. Look at that.
Glass. That's the third one today.
It is. That's nice. Look at that. That's a real pretty one. Nice going, Paul. Keep on rocking in the free world, man.
Clear slick.
Yep.
Hand blown clear slick.
Alright.
Plate. Firestone.
Boy, lots of trash right on that bottom, isn't it? Shelley, you want to come down here and get in on some of this? Oh, come on. There's plenty here. There's room. You can dig over here on the side. We got plenty of room.
Oh, there's something in that hard stuff there.
Yeah. All right, we're digging away here. We've got Clinton Bottling Works. We've got an Aqua Sanford's ink. We got a Cobalt ink there. Doorknob. Forbes Delicious Flavoring Extracts. We got another Bromo caffeine there. I pulled out a neat little tin of some kind. We don't know if we can clean that up or not, but pretty broken china. Slicks. Working on a couple up here. Got one looks like a pepper sauce there. I don't know if it's whole or not. Yay! All right, there we go.
Nice pepper
Nice
sauce.
oval.
Ring pepper sauce.
Yep. Hand blown. 1890, early 1900. What in the world is that? Greek's got a hold of it, whatever it is. Big iron cross arm or something, wagon thing. Yeah, this has been a good fun day, sure. You can see there's more stuck up in there. Paul's working on. There's a little slick. I got a couple over here I'm gonna pull out. There's a look like a kick up wine or something. Oh, it's one of them Italian bitters type bottles. Oh, I thought for a second there might be a Pernod absinthe bottle. Big green wine bottle. Castoria. Fletcher's Castoria. Yeah, one of them little jars. What are you hitting over there?
Oh, there's some slicks.
Ooh, that had iridescence on it. What's that? Oh, look at the iridescence on that thing. Wine bottle. Starting to actually get a little tired.
Yeah.
We've been pulling out so many bottles.
Quite a few hours of digging.
Yeah. I think we definitely got our 200 bottle quota here today.
I think so.
Lots of iron metal stuff.
Got a Wickert.
Hey.
Wickert, yep.
Is it?
Yeah. It's got a little ding in it.
Crack, huh?
Best quality, guaranteed, pure.
Yeah, boy.
H. Wickert.
Probably a ketchup or
Chicago.
something. Yeah, I haven't seen one of them for a little while.
Wow.
Nice hand blown. Keeper. Oh, is that a jug?
I think I know what that is. Oh, it's
Broken.
no, I think it's just a smaller one.
Oh, okay. The shoulder out.
The whole bank don't come with
I
it.
know it. Hey, there it is. Got the handle.
Yep.
It's like a little half-gallon one,
It
isn't it?
is.
That's cute.
It's pretty good.
Hey, hey. Brown shoulder.
Yep.
Nice
That's
little
keeper.
jug. Another one. Another keeper.
Whiskey.
Yeah. Big crock broken. We don't find many crocks intact.
Oh, I know it.
Man, they must have really valued them, saved them.
That was a big Macomb.
Oh, that was a
Stamped.
different one too.
It was
yeah.
faint, but it had leaves.
That was a different
4 gallon. That's
different,
cool.
different mark on that one.
That would have been a good crock.
Yeah, that'd been good. 4 gallon. Yep. Nice leaves on there.
It could have been Buckeye or something. I don't know. Just
Yeah.
something different.
That is a different one.
Okay.
I'm gonna put my shirt back on.
Soda or something there.
Oh, a little amber.
Oh, it's a slick or red
One of
raven.
these times we're gonna hit an amber coat.
I know, they look just like that.
Sure does. Yeah, red raven split. Then more of that crock. There's a big tile up there. I'm gonna grab that so that rolls in on top and cracks one of us on the head. I think.
Yeah, that would definitely hurt.
Good. What is that right in there? I think it's one of them food bottles. Jump up and down about. Okay.
It's a keeper.
He's got bottles over there. Pint whiskey. We've dug so many of them, man. I'm not even showing them the video. Black glass ale.
English beer ale.
Yep. Nice old one. Top on there. One of them little ring marmalade jars there, it looks like. kind of cute. Oh, there's stuff in there though still. Only undermine this and eventually it's gonna fall. Like another Lydia Pinkham's maybe, or a fellow syrup with hypophosphite.
One of the two.
One or the other.
I think I'm gonna say Lydia Pinkham.
I think you're right. I think you got that right. There's that little marmalade jar.
Yep.
Ooh, kind of neat. Little rings around the base and the bulbous ring shoulder. Slick druggist. Look at that milk glass jar.
Yeah, it's a little fancy looking.
Yeah, it's got kind of fancy rope corners on it. Not that I aspire to be a collector of cold cream jars, but that one's kind of cool.
Oh boy.
Stuck in the hard stuff, isn't it? Oh man.
Oh, there it is.
There.
Lydia Pinkham's vegetable
That's it.
compound. Hand blown with water in it.
Boy, I tell you, we got the prize there.
M15 variation, I don't know.
I pulled one out earlier. Nice old hand blown one.
Now I'm going to be checking every one of these little
Yeah, I know.
for one of these plants. Oh,
Well, I
there's
think
still
I'll-
more.
Yeah,
That's an
coffee
interesting
pot.
looking
Yeah, it
granite
is.
coffee pot.
Granite, yeah. Nice little layer there. Well, I'm going to turn the camera off and I'm going to probably get a bucket and box up some more. Well, let's see what them two are underneath there. We got two sticking out in there underneath that coffee pot. Right underneath there. You probably can't see them from where.
Oh, okay.
One's a rock, I think. One looks amber. Oh, that one's a whiskey. I don't know, it could be embossed. Let's see. Yeah, I think it's a rock. Right there. Yeah, rock and a whiskey. Yeah. There's the coffee pot.
Yeah. It's a little rusty. I don't know how it'll clean up.
Yeah. Debatable. It's not one of the real pretty ones. There's another bottle. You work on one bottle and you pull out another one. Yeah, it's slick. Oh well.
It's old.
Alright, Paul's still at it here and he just pulled out something real cool. What is that thing? It's like a little pottery.
Stoneware, like a mini vase or jug or something.
Yeah, look
It's
at
real-
that.
Real thin, real crude with paint on it.
Yeah, it's got almost a rounded bottom, but it'll stand up. Flared lip.
Yeah, but I've never seen anything like
I
it.
never have
I
either.
think it's pretty cool.
That is nice, Paul. All right.
Cleans up good.
We got a milk bottle, of course unembossed. Nice old one though. Got a Garrett wine there.
Two more keepers there.
That one's got something embossed on it. Yep, little Garrett wine. Got another Lydia Pinkham's. A few other little doodads there. All right, well I'll take over for a while.
Yeah, I gotta take a break.
Yeah, you take a break. I'm gonna box up what we got here, and there's like some aqua sticking out right there. Oh, it's a Pluto water probably. Oh, it is. It's Pluto. Bulb top anyway. All right. Well, let's keep it going.
All right, Dad's in there and he said he's seen a square.
The squareness in the hole, not this. That's a whiskey there, but right here. Looks like
Oh, that looks like a square to me. Is that amber?
I think it's amber. It looks dark.
Oh.
There's bottles around it. Well, I think I can about pull it out. Come on, baby.
Oh,
no.
no.
Out of it. It was a Rex bitter.
Oh, Rex.
Rex kidney and liver bitters. Yeah.
Oh,
got
what
the
a
bottom.
shame.
That's something. Oh, nice old hand blown one too.
Yeah, maybe the next one.
Yep.
Oh.
Oh well, there's more, I'm sure. We've had a good day. We've got a lot of bottles here, haven't we?
Yeah.
Oh, watch that pipe. Yep, I'm gonna grab that pipe. I forgot about it.
Yeah, it's
I'm gonna haul that down out
in
here.
a bad spot.
Get that out of my way.
Yep.
Some root cutters right away and cut that root. I'm working on something. I don't know what it was. Something big. Oh, it's a whiskey. I see it now. It's no big deal there unless it's not. Wow. Slick amber whiskeys.
It sure is.
It's hand blown, but yeah.
They didn't like to emboss them around here.
No, they didn't. To weaken the glass or something. Oh, there we go. Sour's egg strap.
Yeah, sours.
Whoopee!
Well, it's embossed.
It's embossed, so yeah.
It's clear.
Fire up the backhoe. Now do we clean this?
Yeah, we might have to.
Oh, there's an old grant or pitcher.
Yeah, that would have been cool.
Anything in it? No, not much in it. Flower pot. You don't have to go very far and find more bottles in there.
Oh, big whiskey.
Oh, whiskey, nothing on. It's blown, isn't it? I hit up into this area. Well, there's bottles back in there.
Yeah. One of them three-sided food bottles.
Yeah,
if it's whole.
Like it is.
That one looks whole.
Yeah. Hand blown.
I don't know if they had pickles or mustard or what they
I
had
think
in.
they did. I think there were various food products in there. Oh, there might be a jar. Something awful there. No, not a jar. No, it's a jar. Jar there. Oh, El Slicko. All right, we're just finishing up here. We've gotten several bottles. Brummel Seltzer, got a little cologne. We got a soda from some town in Texas. We'll look at that later. I got a nice lid here. A Larkin, couple inks, another Brummel caffeine, hawk wine there, some kind of a weird doodad. Real nice Decatur Bottling Works. Kind of a dark, rich aqua Decatur Bottling Works crown top. And Paul's working on a couple up here. Look at this. Can you pull them out? See what those are. Looks like another Brummel caffeine, maybe. We've got about 6 or 7 of them today. Yeah,
Black Cat, or yeah, Black Cat
Black Cat.
Polish Company, Buffalo,
All right.
New York.
There's a Black Cat. Last but not least, could be, might be,
Lydia Pinkham's.
it is Lydia Pinkham's.
I
Oh
think
boy.
that's number 4 today.
Oh
maybe.
man, we're pumped now. Now we can go home happy.
4 of them.
All right. Yeah, well, we're still pulling them out. I don't know what all we got over here. I'm just laying stuff up here for now. You can see where, is it trickling in there? We turned the backhoe off.
We're in the doodle bug pit.
Yeah, in a doodle bug hole here. Keeps rolling in. Top's gone off of that one. Starting to get dark even. Yeah, it's a trickling, isn't it? Well, we're getting close. We're getting close to being done. It looks like a soda.
Clinton
Look at
bottling.
that. All right.
Yeah.
Clinton bottling works.
I like that a lot of them are clear.
Me too. There's still bottles up in here. Get on the way out. We're just kind of half knocking it in for the day.
Oh, blue. Look
Hey,
at that. It's cobalt, unembossed, but it's dark cobalt.
Sure is.
D13.
All right. Well, boy, we've hit more blues today than normal.
Yeah, is it peeling way up there?
Yeah, I can't tell. It might be.
We better get out of the doodle bug pit.
Yeah, we better. All right. Well, we're gonna call it a day. I think we still got more to go here, but. All right. Well, I was already leaving the hole, and Paul said he's gonna scratch one more time, and he hit a straight-sided coke.
And it's definitely a little bit green.
It is green. I can see it from here.
It's a dark greenish
Woo,
aqua from
buddy.
Deepening.
All right.
I'm happy about that.
All right. What a way to finish the day.
Yeah, just
He just had the intuition to stay out because I was done. Whoops.
watch your foot.
The holes were getting ready to fall in. Oh, man, that is nice, Paul.
Well,
wow.
maybe it's not super green.
Yeah, it is green, though. All right. Can't hardly see it from here, but that's nice. No damage. All right. Yep. We hadn't found a straight side coke today, not even a piece of one.
Not for a while.
No. Nope. Paul pulls one out here. I'm already out of the hole. I'm done and carrying stuff up. He's poking one last time. It's looking like it's a big trickle there, like it's gonna fall. Got a great big taproot there.
There's an amber whiskey.
Oh yay! Wow, that's probably
Haven't
worth.
seen one of those for a while.
It's probably worth keeping. Well, there went that.
I think
Oh
I
well.
just killed it.
It's all right.
I guess I should give up for today.
Well, that was really a good spark there at the very last to finish the day out. Praise the Lord.
Sweet.
Shelley's up there. She's tending the fire. Hey. We moved the backhoe a little bit farther back for safety's sake. Got it all shut down. All right. All right, we are officially finished digging. And there's our crater. It's probably 10 feet across at least, 12 foot, probably 12, 14 foot long, about 12 foot deep. We knocked in a little bit of the top here, but we can't even get all the bottles there. We just left some in there. And, Paul's over here, Shelley's over there. These are just a few. We started over here. You know, I wanted to show this. This was real cool.
Yeah, that is cool.
Isn't that neat? That was in the dirt pile. I don't know if that says something there or what, but boy, he's a real dandy. And it's a match striker, see? So put your matches in there, and there's the striker surface there. That's really neat.
It's got only that little chip, but
Yeah.
that's not bad.
Yep.
I thought it was
Isn't
a
that
piece
cool?
of plastic in the pile.
Yeah. Paul hit a nice teal beer there. We got a whole bunch of clear stuff all over the place. Fruit jars. And most of our stuff's over here. We've been putting stuff over here. We got another pile of dirt there going. Shelley went through there, found a bunch of stuff. There's some of our stuff. There's the last one. There's the Coke Paul hit. Real dark aqua or green color Coke. And we got a whole bunch of stuff. We didn't show a lot of it. Green capers there. And there's our cream of Scotch whiskey jug. Another cute little thing. There's some more boxes of stuff there. We got a bunch of bottles laid out here. There's that little Thelma perfume. Shelley found that. Extract of smartweed. Dr. Pierce's extract of smartweed from R.V. Pierce. Just a lot of stuff. All right, well, that's a wrap. We're gonna head for home. Good day.
Yeah.
Bay's over there. What do you think, Bay? She's ready to go home too, I think. You ready to go home? What do you think, Bay? You ready to go home? Huh?
So you know it too.
So, alright, well, we got the backhoe locked up and we're ready to go. Alright, we got everything out here. We ain't got anything cleaned up yet. This is the keepers that we brought back. Paul and I are getting ready to divvy them up here. But anyway, we'll show a few of what we got here. Got Toll maple syrup, a little miniature Jack Daniels bottle, Larkin. There's that fruit jar. It's a ball mason with a label on it. And we got some other little small things. That little redware pottery thing that Paul dug. It was kind of cool. It's got some designs on it. There's a woman's hairpiece. It's got like swans on there. And our druggist from Clinton there that I'd never seen. We hadn't seen that one before. Dr. F.E. Downey, Clinton, Illinois. And there's that pipe Shelley found. Our little perfume, Thelma, Queen of Perfumes. A surpassing scent of subtle sweetness. Patented March 3rd, 1910. That's neat. Still intact. There's that little match holder with a little dandy there. Hilbert Perfumery. We just got a lot of different things. There's that soda. Unfortunately, it's got a crack in it.
Yeah.
Isn't that a shame? From Wharton, Texas. Got the double A. That could be artesian. I can't remember what it is. A forerunner of Dr. Pepper. It's got the AA. I'm not sure. But anyhow, look at all the bromo caffeines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got 8 bromo caffeines. Oh, real nice Decatur Bottling Works, a real dark aqua one. Sanford ink there. Some other things. There's those stoneware Heinz apple butter jars. That one's got enema douche tips in there and the whole apparatus stuck down in there. A couple Clinton Bottling Works there. Got a pitcher. It's got a hole in the bottom, but nice little creamer pitcher. Cobalt ink, some Garrett wines. Just a lot of different things. There's that, Paul got a green, root green Coca-Cola, straight side from Decatur. There's a John Graff Milwaukee Blob beer.
Yeah, this is that black glass one.
Yep.
Yep. ABG Co.
Yeah.
From Belleville.
Yep. Dolphus Bush Glass Manufacturing Company. And it is black.
Very
Can't even
dark,
see through it, can you?
Amber. These K bottles with the K on the bottom.
Yep. Mineral water. 1858.
Yeah.
That one, Aquawine's teal, isn't it?
Yeah. It's a nice looking one.
Real pretty teal blue color. Let me see that. I don't know if I can show it here. It'll show up in the sun. Oh, it's awful. A lot of glare here, but real pretty teal blue.
Yeah, this one was pretty teal.
That one's a teal also, isn't it?
There's nothing on it.
Yeah.
I
Isn't
think
that
it'll
pretty?
clean up good though.
A real pretty teal color, yeah. Looks like it'll clean up nice.
Say this is about the best.
There's
thing
our
of the whole
jug,
day.
yeah. All right. That was our nice, find the cream of old Scotch whiskey, Bonnie Castle. Can't believe it was in such good shape too, man. That's neat. 2 other jugs there. Got a Pierce's extract of smart weed, capers. We got a good variety of stuff.
Oh yeah.
And that was what we kept. You ought to have seen all the ones that we didn't keep.
5 or 6 boxes of clears.
Oh yeah.
Clear slicks.
We probably got over 400 bottles, I'd say,
Yeah.
with the slicks, because we had several boxes of.
That's a really good guess.
Yep. Not as near as many keepers, but we're happy.
Oh, yeah.
It was a good day, praise the Lord. So we're gonna go ahead and divide these up, and we may show a few clean ones. I don't know, but we'll see. But we'll see you in the next video. If not.